Let's voice the 7th chord with both soft and strong dynamics. If a soft dynamic is required, it is enough to assign each note to one timbre. So, the first bassoon takes the bass of the chord, while 2 horns play above the bassoon. 2 clarinets will complete the upper harmony. When dynamic marking is mezzo-piano or stronger, you should double the woodwind instruments, especially if the chord contains 4, 5, and 6 notes. So, the lower D will be doubled by 2 bassoons. 2 horns remain unchanged. The upper F and the A will be doubled by 2 flutes. The same dynamic should be written below all instruments. Of course, you can use other combinations of the instruments, as I mentioned before. It is not necessary to always use low woodwinds. This chord can also be played without low woodwinds. For example, 3 horns and 2 flutes.